guys, I'm here with our Degusta box for December. So let's take a look at what's inside here. I don't know, and I never look ahead to see anyone else's unboxing before I've done mine. So you see everything is sealed. I'm going to put the box to the side and open it up, and then I'll show you each product. So let's take a look. Right inside we have a Happy Holidays card. So thank you guys. Season's greetings from the team at Degusta Box. Duncan, Amanda, Natalie, Steph, and Rob. Thank you guys. And then we have this. This box is packed with care by Santa's elves at Friendship Industries. So proud to be the exclusive USA packager for Degusta Box for the last 2.5 years. Thank you guys. Packaging with purpose. Okay. And I won't show you our December box thing yet. And let's see what this is. We have something here from Get Back to Human. Order Paleo vegan chocolate at hukitchen.com. So it's paleo vegan chocolate, no refined sugar, no dairy, no cane sugar, no soy, lecithin, no palm oil. Take 20% off your first order. Okay. Alright, so let's get one more paper product here. So we have a 50% off any Balsan product. So any of their cookies, we have a coupon for that. Now let's get down to business here. So we have 2 packages of GH Creators Popped Corn. These retail for $1.79 a bag, and there's 2 bags in here. Introducing GH Creators, the mixed popcorn. Just a taste of the handcrafted blend of rich buttery caramel and premium aged cheddar cheese, and you'll discover our obsessively delicious sweet and salty popcorn, or as we like to call it, the mix. So that's the mix. That sounds interesting. That sounds something like my husband and kids would really like. And now I'll put a link to where you can get your own December Degusta box. And let's see, now my dogs, they've been in here eating snacks, and now they just wanted to go out, and now of course now they're going to want to come right in right now. Wow, this is a huge bag of mini marshmallows. So, wow, perfect for baking, perfect for hot chocolates, right? Because that's the time of the year. We're having a very cold week this week. So this is $2.50 for a 16-ounce package. And then I think we also have a snack package in here, and the retail price on that is 50 cents. So Campfire premium quality mini marshmallows, perfect for baking and snacking. Great. We'll put these to use great in fudges and things, and I know we're going to make some fudge. So, and the kids love them for their hot chocolates. So, perfect. You know, I love stale marshmallows. I know a lot of people, they're like my favorite marshmallow. I don't really snack on them per se, but I use them in things, you know, on sweet potato casseroles and in recipes. But if they get stale, I love that. And some people don't understand it, but I'm sure there's some people out there that agree, because when they get hard, I like that chewy, like kind of taffy kind of flavor. Texture. Okay, so let's put that aside. See what else we have here. We have Okay, Garden of Life $2.49, clean and simple, whatever your goal. We help you get there with our deliciously simple protein bars made exclusively from real certified organic non-GMO project verified whole food ingredients. No compromise, no GMOs, no RBGH or BST, no junk, no kidding. And I think I told you $2.49 retail on those. Okay, and then wow, we've got some, let's see what these are. So these are Sunspire dark chocolate candies. Sun Drops, retail for $5.99. Offer the great candy taste you love with no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Add some fun to your baking and snacking endeavors. So no artificial colors. I wonder how they get those pinks there. Color added includes beet juice, beta-carotene, and caramel. Interesting. Very, very interesting. All right, and then we have, we have Chef Paul Prudhomme Magic Seasoning Blends Poultry Magic. This is the product of the month, guys. So Chef Paul Prudhomme's Magic Seasoning Blends. He revolutionized home cooking by making flavorful food a cinch. Magic Seasoning Blends Poultry Magic is no exception. As an ingredient or a sprinkle-on seasoning, Poultry Magic enhances flavors of any dish using warm notes of garlic, onion, and herbs. Low in sodium, rich in taste. Try it. I definitely will. I can smell it from out here. So it smells really nice. It smells like a blend I would really like. Dave's Gourmet, jalapenos, lime, ginger, and more whipped to create a rich, creamy texture and complex flavor with medium heat. This vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO sauce is terrific on most any food and has an incredible, unique flavor that is also great as dips for chips. Perfect. That sounds wonderful. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, my kids are going to love these. We love gingerbread cookies and spice cookies, and I was just going to make a batch of gingerbread. My son loves them so much, but these look great. These are the Balsam Iced Cinnamon Stars, the wonderful scent of cinnamon and a hint of hazelnuts. Make iced cinnamon stars the perfect festive treat for the whole family. As delicious as they are beautiful. Retail price on these $4.99. Now the Dave's, the product of the month, the retail price on that is $3. Not the Dave's. This is now the Chef Paul Prudhomme's, the product of the month, the Magic Seasoning Blends, Poultry Magic, retails for $3. And then the Dave's that I just showed you retails for $6.99. So you see that you're getting a lot of value, and you can get this all for just $12.99, shipped to you, you know, and everything. Complete. So now we have, they're right up my alley. I love ginger chews. I love them. So these are the original Chimes Ginger Chews. Chewy ginger candy, original. Chimes is comforting wherever you go. Original gluten-free, vegan-free. So the ginger candy retails for $1.99. Chewy ginger candies made with real Java ginger. Smooth, energizing, and satisfying. So we get one, they have two different flavors, and we would get one, you may get another kind in your boxes. There's two different kinds, but we got that one. Perfect. Love those. And then we have chocolate bar. So we have, did I tell you the ginger candy $1.99? So let's go to the HU chocolate. HU as in human. Chocolate, the cult favorite vegan and paleo chocolate bar made with no weird ingredients ever. It's free from dairy, palm oil, emulsifier, soy, lecithin, gluten, refined sugar, cane sugar, and sugar alcohols. I think it's Hue. Is that how they pronounce it? Hue is inspired by quality foods' ability to heal versus poor quality foods' guarantee to hinder. Hue's mission is to help people get back to eating, living, and thriving like humans. So we have that, and that's in the crunchy mint dark chocolate. That sounds delicious. I have to try that. Then we have, I love tea. So we have Vadam, the chocolate bar retails for $5.99. The Vadam teas, so this is $5.99 for a box of 15 tea bags. And discover the superiority of a garden fresh long leaf tea with the convenience of a Vadam single serve pyramid tea bags. Each serving is packaged in a pyramid shaped nylon tea bag, individually sealed envelope and sealed at source to ensure you get the freshest cup of tea. So that's a sampler pack. And the retails for $5.99. Now I think we've got everything. Okay, and so now I can show you. That's our December box and everything that's there. And then on the back we have a Chef Paul Prudhomme's Magic Seasoning Blends Braised Chicken Thighs recipe. So let me know what you think of this box, guys, and what is your favorite item. I would love to know, so let me know. And thanks so much for watching. There'll be links in case you want to get your own, and makes a great gift too. Lots of things to cook with for the holidays. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Hope you're all having a great day and everything's going well for you. And if it's not, hang in there. It's bound to get better. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.